Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to sell an ebook on Gumroad. So actually guys, first you will need to go with gumroad.com on your browser, and then you will need to click on sign up or log in to sign in with your account, and then verify your email if needed. We call that the 2FA verification. So then you will need to go to create your ebook products on here. So just go with products on the left hand menu, it's the second option, and then go with new product, the option that's located at the top right corner. Okay, so here you will be presented with the products type. We have digital products, course or tutorial, ebook, membership, and bundle. So we'll go with ebook right here and give it a name. So we will go, for example, with ebook 1, for example, and for the price we'll go with $10. So these are the examples. You will need to type your own. You will need to make it catchy and clear, and the price, it's up to you. Okay, and after that go with next and customize. Okay, so right here you will need to set a description, so we'll just highlight the benefits, the key takeaways, and why people should read it. And for the price you will have it right here, so you can adjust it, just set a fixed price or allow customers to pay what they want. You have allow customers to pay an installment and automatically apply discount code. Okay, so once you click each one you will need to fill the blanks. All right, and also you have to upload files, so for the versions and also for the thumbnail, the cover right here, etc. Okay, so for the cover, once you click it, you will need, or you will be presented with two options. You can choose from the computer files and external links. And for the thumbnail, once you click on upload, you will be forwarded into your device or your computer pictures. So right here you can choose or to select the cover of or the thumbnail of your ebook and extra. So then once finished, you will need just go and click on save and continue, and then just publish. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.